welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. I feel like I haven't been vlogging as much just because I officially started working this week. Dang, I'm over here looking at my barbicide. I was supposed to take that out. It's probably peeling off my products. Anyway, I've just been setting up. This was my first week. I only had like 3 clients, which is not a lot because I legit need like 5 more clients or 6 more clients by next week in order to pay the rent. So that's fun, but it's going good. I'm being positive as much as I can be. Trying to think of if there's any updates. Hold on, my bad, my mother just called me. But what was I gonna say? I just got back from Starbucks, drinking my coffee. It's so good. Iced white chocolate mocha with caramel drizzle and oat milk. That's one thing. 2, this lady cursed me out in the Stop and Shop parking lot because the car, when I started it, it was way too loud for her. She's like, why the fuck is it so loud? And I just blanked out. I didn't even, I knew she was cursing at me. I'm not even about to make up what she said because I don't remember what she said, but yeah, she was just cursing at me. And I'm like, okay lady, like, she's not about to disturb my peace. My coffee tastes so good right now, so try somebody else. Moral of the story, don't be a Karen. It's not cool. What else was I gonna say? I'm looking at like my little table thingy I have from IKEA. I still don't have bins for it, the storage bins, because they're still sold out. Like, I don't understand. I want the storage bins that look just like this to match my garbage can and to match my, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have to throw this out, to match my rolling cart. I just want everything to be like, you know, is cohesive the word? I just want it to flow really nicely. Oh, I also have this new machine right here, this LED light. Oh my god. So it looks like this, and then it goes red, green, blue, and yellow. So every light offers a different treatment. Oh, hold on, let me put this back the way I had it. Oh, another thing, I'm probably not gonna make, well, I'm not gonna make it, unfortunately, to save my YouTube channel. So that's kind of been like really discouraging, just because I worked so hard over the years to keep my channel going. But I do, like I've been saying, I need 4,000 hours watched in the last 365 days, and I actually only have 2,900. So I need like 1,100 more hours left in less than 5 days. So what that means is I'm probably not gonna be able to keep my channel. Well, I'll be able to keep my channel, I just won't be able to make like $1 off of it. It's very discouraging for me to continue to make videos, and it's not because I do this for the money only, because yes, I do this for the money because I need money, right? But it's not only for that. As you can see, I respond to every single person. I always have, and I always will. I follow you guys back on social media depending on like how the conversation goes. I don't follow back just anybody, just because I like to keep who I follow very like personal to people I actually know. But if you show me love, I show love right back. I respond to you. Like I said, I do keep up with other people on all my social media platforms, and it's like, I love having conversations with you guys and helping you out. I know people follow me on my hair journey, which was like a hot ass mess. I've messaged a lot of people privately about like how to get their hair better. I legit have helped people with their relationship problems, their freaking health problems, like giving them advice. And I don't even know why like they go to me for health advice. Like, I am not the healthiest person, but like people ask me like my workout routine, and I'm like, girl, I do not even work out, but drink a lot of water. This is what I say. I'm like, drink a lot of water and drink like a glass of water before eating, because drinking water just makes you more full, so then you'll eat less, you know, like, anyway, that's besides the point. I just help people with their personal problems, and it does mean a lot. People look up to me, not gonna lie. It's not like a million of people looking up to me, but there are people who are interested in hearing from me and my own personal advice, and I'm very thankful for you guys. And I do realize that sometimes people look up to me on social media, and it's a little, what's the word I'm looking for? Dang, I can't even think of the word right now. I guess it puts a little bit of pressure on me because I'm nowhere near perfect and I have like a lot of things to work on. But what I am is very genuine, very caring. I really do care about people, like a lot. And like if somebody is crying, I want to cry. Like I want to help you even if I'm down myself. And sometimes that's like a bad thing. But anyway, I'm like going off. What am I even talking about? Like the whole point I'm trying to make is that my freaking channel, I won't be getting paid for it. So it's gonna like stop me from wanting to go a little bit as hard because I have to put my focus on other things that I need to make money for, because I legit need to pay my rent. Okay, that's for one. I need to pay other bills, and I need to start supporting myself a little bit more. Like I don't ask my parents for $1, but I want to be able to own my own place, live on my own. I'm still with my parents, but a part of me doesn't want to leave because I just love them so much. But anyways, it's like time to put my big girl panties on, and the fact that I'm even owning my own place is a huge step. I feel very accomplished. I never celebrate my accomplishments, right? And a lot of people tell me to do that, but I just feel like there's more for me to do. And I don't know what it is, but I definitely should start celebrating my accomplishments more, just because this was really hard. And I saved up all my own money, my personal money. I didn't borrow from anybody, and I just ended up doing it. So I'm also trying to find other ways that I can make money on social media. Like I have a TikTok, but I can make money on lives, but then it's like I don't have time to be on live. I'm gonna go right now and like wax my arms, so hopefully people like send you like change, like chump change. Sometimes you don't even make anything. But as for Instagram, I just started posting reels. Well, I've been posting reels, but I never was able to get paid for it. Now I'm gonna get paid for it, so that's pretty cool. I think in the past 2 days I made like $20. It's not like woo, like I'm so rich, but $20 for posting a video that I already had on my TikTok channel. My TikTok channel is a plus. Like I will make money anywhere. I feel like I haven't stopped talking. I really haven't though. A company reached out to me, like a glasses company, and they're gonna pay me. They're gonna send me 6 pairs of glasses. I had to make 2 TikTok videos, 20 seconds each, and they're gonna send me $100. So not only am I getting 6 glasses for free, but I'm also gonna make $100. Very simple. And the glasses, I was able to choose them, so I know they're gonna be super cute. They're not like sending me no random glasses. Well, they said they're sending me 6, but 4 of them I get to choose, and 2 of them are gonna be like at random. But I don't mind. Let me show you the ones I chose. So these are one of the glasses, and the thing about them is they're gonna be blue light, so that's pretty cool because I'm on my phone legit all day, every day, which is not good for us, but I can't help it. Well, I don't have these yet, but I'm asking for those. That's the second one. What's the other one? Oh my god. Oh, and then the third one is clear. I saw somebody wearing these and I thought that was pretty. These are the third ones. I chose these sunglasses. I think that color is popping. And I have no idea which 2 they're gonna, like which surprise 2 they're gonna send me. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be why can I speak today? Oh my god. I'm pretty sure it's going to be blue light glasses, which is nice. Oh, my aunt just texted me. I'm weak at what she just said. Anyway, so for today's outfit, because you know what, I'm probably just gonna end the video off here because I've been chatting for a year and a half. I'm wearing this gray dress from Garage. I really hope that this whole time you have not been seeing my coochie, because if you have, I'm gonna have to edit this out because this isn't gonna be for free. Anyway, I'm also wearing my, let me cover this, my Vans, my old ass Vans that I don't think I'm ever going to get rid of. Before I go, oh my god, also my boobs look so huge because I'm supposed to be getting my periodic table. And another thing, I cannot wait to get a shelf because I really need to put, this is what I'll be putting up on my shelf. This lamp right there, this Alexa, oh my god, she's probably gonna turn on. Yep, this Alexa, which, guys, she has a camera, look how cute. What else? Oh, and I'm gonna put the gold tissues and my cards. This is what the front of the card looks like. I made them myself. I don't remember if I showed you guys. And then this is what the back of the card looks like. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video off here. Hopefully you guys, you know, stick around, even though I might not be posting as much, especially because I really want to start promoting myself on my other platforms, because I need business here. Like, if you guys are in Long Island, Franklin Square, then please book your facial or your wax with me. Follow me on Monet Lux Beauty on my Instagram, and you'll see my scheduling site is gonna be in the bio. So hope to see you guys here. And yeah, thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.